volunteer? You here for volunteer?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Are you here for volunteer? Yes or no, Athena?
So this is Kawainui Marsh. It is the largest wetland in the state. Over 800 acres. Our ecosystem restoration project, and that's when we remove invasive plants and plant native plants. The reason for why we want to restore it is that it's really amazing bird habitat for our native birds. So hopefully we'll see some alaiula, alaikokeo, some ayo, a bunch of native birds.
What is that? What you're holding there?
Just to like cut the plants.
Oh, okay. Oh, what are we supposed to pull now?
And then so we're going to be pulling the cattails.
The cattail, which
these
is...
are the ones, like Kristen was saying, they have that underground root. One technique is when they're growing in water like this, sometimes if you just kind of pull like slow and steady.
Okay. Oh, cool.
You can see that whole like underground root. This one. So
Got it.
This is just connecting to the next. This part run into the ground too.
So you want the whole roots out?
Yeah, if you can.
Okay, perfect.
Military, you just cut it all down. Just take everything out.